Good day, my wonderful friend. It's me again, the great. Oh, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And click on another video. Now, you have the vicious murder we got on in St. Lucia where the 3 people them dead. And everybody is quiet about it. Well, I am going to break the story in the future. And I'm going to tell you now who I think is behind it. With that said, I am going to talk about a little situation that went down in Titroy, that's near Barbados in St. Lucia.
Be a warning to all of you. If you ain't serving the Lord, you serve that devil. This is what you get for evil in your life.
Big up the country squad and the country people them all over the world. You're now tuned in to the most monitored vlog.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's Countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people's faces. No matter how them are going, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Viewers' discretion is advice. One more time. Viewers' discretion is advice. I may I tell you now what went down with Sean's death. Now, at the time, Sean owned a bar in a place in St. Lucia called Titroy. Titroy. Y'all know my French is off the chain, so I just bear with me. On one given night, the pussy them from Barbados, Bim Bim, so brother, Cowley, and couple other man came up to Titroy by the bar and shoot up the bar and shot a young man. Now, after them shot this young man, Cowley and Sean, who owned the bar, start wrestle the gun. I want to follow me now. While the man them a shoot up the bar, Cowley and Sean is wrestling for the gun. Sean is trying to get to the gun that Cowley has. And Cowley is from Barbados. He's a part of Marlon Barbados crew. Now the boy with the name Cowley, him dead after one crash. Him crash and dead. But this night in question, the man empty out the clip on a van, you know. This Cowley, them a Marlon Barbados gang member them. After him empty out the clip, him run go back up on the bar to get more ammunition for come back again. That's when him and Sean start scuffle, cause Sean I said no. And Sean I try to take the gun from him to protect the patrons as well as protect himself. Now, believe this or not, after all the scuffling, you know, the gun drop, somebody pick up the gun. So neither Sean nor Cowley get it. And that was when all the bullshit start. After that, the man them plan to kill the youth named Sean, the man that won the bar. And a them boy plan to kill him. Let me show you them picture again. You have Bim Bim, Jotimir aka Fat Boy, and So brother, and Cowley. Them two they not dead. Now, them pre the youth Sean and You know St. Lucia is a pretty small island. And which part them man ya live and which part my youth live, which is shown him have to drive through for them area. You see what me I get to? Just like me say, one day Sean a come through town. Him drive through Bacatel coming back. And these men ambush him from behind a truck and kill him. And up to this day, that murder has not been solved. And these guys are running around. Now, just to be clear, Kowali, him pass away from an accident like I mentioned earlier. And the one when he Bim Bim, them gun him down. Because you know Bim Bim was mixed up in a lot of fuckery. So Kowali and Bim Bim dead. Now you have So-So brother. You understand? And the one with them call name Jasimir, aka Fat Boy. Them responsible for this murder. And the police need to check them. And everybody know who did this. This is no secret. So me I call upon the police them, yo, please. Check out this one. Check Bim Bim. Check Jasimir, aka Fat Boy. Check So-So and check Marlon. Cause all around this so. Marlon run this so. Him are the big man on campus. Remember, Marlon is the mayor of Bacatel. And Bacatel, it's a country within a city, within a country, within a parish. It's its own city and own country. With that said, we just have put the public on notice on what's going on in St. Lucia. Like I say, I don't have on to the story them. There's so much stuff coming out of St. Lucia that shit make my head spin. And me doing this, I do this to the voiceless, the people who don't have any voice. And I am gonna keep on voicing until God take my voice. Is what I'm saying. Cause I am not doing this for money. I am not doing this for fame. I'm actually naive. And I'm doing this to make changes and to make, real life changes. If one young man can hear Countryman and don't go into the gang, that would make me feel good. And like I said, there is no blood clot rest to the wicked from Countryman. Listen, my name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.